Hello Rami, you want to eat mango juice? Yeah? Okay, this one mango juice imported from the Bhutan or product of Bhutan, mango juice. Rami, you want to eat mango juice? Okay, open it. Try to open it. Oh, you cannot? Okay, mom will help you. Oh, good job. Wow. How? Okay. Fast. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Okay, good job. Eat. Wow, finish? Is it delicious? Tasty? You want to eat more? Tammy, you want to eat more? You want to eat more? Okay, I'll give you. Open first. Okay, product of Bhutan. Take. Okay, good job.